Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Motorola Razr 2022. And to do this we'll need to open up our Google Play Store. Right here try to find Firefox. Select it and download it. When it's ready, click on the open. Right here you can customize the browser by changing the theme, picking a toolbar placement. You can sign in to turn on synchronization between other devices. There's also privacy protection, which you can change from standard to strict. Read the privacy notice and finally click on start browsing. Right here we can open any website, and as you can see it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.